E whitu te kaumārua tau, te pakeke o Edna Elena Isaacs no te arawa Ngaiterangi, Tainui me te Tai Tokerau. Engari kuia anake te wahine Māori, kei Wainganui i te tokotoru o ngā tāne, e whakataitai ana i te tūranga kahika o Taupōnui Ātia.
It's growing and we still have to promote the tourism. We still have to do all that stuff. But I mean, that's ongoing.
He tuarua tēnei mo Elena Isaacs kia whakataetai mo te tūranga koromatua. Hei tāna ko he atu hoki e whai reo ai te Māori ki roto i ngā take nui a taua kaunihera.
If we have a look around us, the asset base for Māori is phenomenal here. And that's what it's about. They bring the economics into our town too. They bring the rates into our town.
She just thought that she could make a difference, and it was something that she's always said, that there's never ever been enough Māori to stand up even for council.
Well, I suppose you know by now that I'm running for mayor.
Ki te whātekau taua Elena e noho kāinga ana ki konei. A he maha hoki o nā pōtai.
To definitely have a lot of background knowledge about the tūwharetua environment, about the people, about the protocol of Māori, about what Māori would want for their environment.
Hei tāna no he mea nui te mahitahi me ngai Pākehā.
We can't do it alone. We have to do it in a collaborative way. And that's what I'm looking for with our Pākehā people.
A te marama e tū mai nei, ka kite ai ko wai ka noho ki taua taumata. Ine rangi Goodman, mō te karere.